Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be sharing my top 3 book recommendations for those of you looking to improve your option trading skills. Just a quick note, before we get started, the links of these books in the description are affiliate links, which means I may earn a small commission if you decide to make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I truly appreciate it. Now let's dive in. First up, we have the Option Playbook. This book is perfect for beginners and intermediate traders as it offers a practical and hands-on guide to options. The author covers a wide range of strategies from simple calls and puts to more advanced techniques like iron condors and butterflies. This book is the foundation of my knowledge of option trading because I promise you, once you make a successful call and a put, you're only scratching the surface of what options can do. And this book does a really good job at introducing new traders into options. What makes this book stand out is its easy to understand language and real world examples, making it accessible for those who are just starting in option trading. It's like having a playbook that you can refer to whenever you need guidance on a specific strategy or concept. Book number 2 is Trading Options Greek. This book is ideal for intermediate to advanced traders who want to dive deeper into option trading, specifically into option pricing and risk management. The author focuses on the role of Greeks, which is delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho in option trading, explains how each Greek influences option prices and how to use them to manage risk and maximize your profits. By understanding the Greeks, you'll be better equipped to understand and make informed trading decisions and fine-tune your strategies. If you are subscribed to this channel, you know that I preach this a lot. The Greeks will help you become a better trader. Just knowing the Greeks already stands you out amongst the rest of the option traders. You become an intermediate trader alone by understanding Greeks and using them in your trading strategy. So I highly recommend that book. Book number 3, last but not least, we have The Disciplined Trader, Developing Winning Attitudes by Mark Douglas. While not exclusively about option trading, this book is a must-read for traders of all levels. Beginners, intermediates, advanced, you'll all get a kick out of this book. The author emphasizes the importance of developing a winning mindset and discipline in trading, which is crucial for long-term success. He offers insights into the psychological aspects of trading and provides practical tips for overcoming common mental obstacles like fear and overconfidence. By mastering the mental game, you'll be better prepared to navigate the ups and downs in option trading. All 3 of these books will help you drastically. So there you have it, my top 3 book recommendations for becoming a better option trader. Each of these books focuses on a different aspect of option trading, from practical strategies to risk management and the psychological side of trading. Together, they provide a comprehensive toolkit for mastering the art of option trading. If you're interested in checking out any of these books, you can find the affiliate links in the description below. Remember, by using these links, you'll also be supporting the channel at no additional cost to you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.